In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your personal information in Hostinger. This includes updating your name, address, phone number, and even company details like GST or PAN if you're using Hostinger for business purposes. Keeping your account information updated is very important because it helps ensure accurate billing, proper account verification, and smooth communication with Hostinger support. The good news is that updating your personal information inside the Hostinger dashboard only takes a couple of minutes once you know where to look. So in this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the entire process, from logging in to saving your updated information. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and hosting tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Once you're on the website, log in to your Hostinger account using the email address and password associated with your hosting account. After signing in, you'll be taken directly to the Hostinger dashboard, sometimes called hpanel. This is where you manage everything related to your hosting, domains, billing, and account settings. Now that you're inside the dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You will see a small profile icon that represents your account. Click on this profile icon to open your account menu. Inside this menu, you'll see several account-related options. The option we want is called Account Information. Go ahead and click on Account Information to open your personal profile settings. Once the Account Information page opens, you'll see the different fields that store your personal details. This section is where you can update the information associated with your hosting account. The first field you'll notice is the Name field. If you want to change the name on your account, simply click inside the Name field and type your updated name. This can be helpful if you created the account with a nickname or if you need to correct a spelling mistake. Just enter the correct name exactly how you want it to appear on your account and invoices. Next, you'll see the Address field. To update your address, simply click on the Address section and type your new address details. This is especially important if you've moved locations or if your billing address has changed. Keeping this information accurate helps ensure that your invoices and account records remain correct. Below the Address section, you'll find the Phone Number field. If you need to update your contact number, click inside the phone number field and enter your new number. This number may be used for account verification or support communication, so make sure it's a phone number you currently use and have access to. If you are using Hostinger for business or company purposes, there is also a section where you can update your company information. Click on the Company field to edit your company details. Here you can update your company name and add important business information such as GST numbers or PAN details depending on your region. This is particularly useful if you need proper invoices for accounting or tax purposes. After making all the necessary updates to your name, address, phone number, or company details, take a moment to review everything you entered. Double-check that the information is accurate and spelled correctly. Once you're satisfied with the changes, make sure to save the updated information so it's applied to your account. And that's it. You've successfully updated your personal information in Hostinger. As you can see, the process is very quick once you know where the account settings are located. Keeping your account details updated helps avoid billing issues and ensures your hosting account stays properly verified. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials on Hostinger, websites, and online tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.